Meet the Shark PowerDetect ThermaCharged 2-in-1 robot and heated mop cleaning NeverTouch Pro base. Shark's new base automatically empties debris, refills the robot water tank and even washes with hot water and dries the mopping pad with heat for up to 30 days of hands-free maintenance. In the box, you will find the robot, base, ramp, side brushes, and other accessories. Remove the protective packaging from your robot and self-empty base. Find a location for the base in a central area of your home close to your router, where there is a strong Wi-Fi signal. Place the base on a flat, level, hard floor surface in a location away from direct sunlight. Allow 60 centimeters of clearance from the ramp to any objects or carpet, and 30 centimeters on either side of the base. Plug the cord into a wall socket and install the ramp, pushing down until it clicks into place. The base indicator light will turn white when the base is plugged in and powered on. Open the main lid on the front of the base to access the water tanks. Remove the clean water tank with a blue handle on the right side. Fill the clean water tank with room temperature water up to the water fill line. Then add Shark cleaning solution up to the solution fill line. Carefully reinstall the full tank onto the base. Remove the anti-odor technology cartridge from the robot box and open the can. Flip up the grey handle and align the silver arrow on the cartridge with the arrow on the base and insert the cartridge. Twist anti-clockwise on the handle until it clicks at least once. Continue to rotate the cartridge toward the high position to increase the intensity. Now that the base is ready to go, it's time to set up the robot. First, locate the side brush in the box. To install it on the bottom of the robot, align the hole in the brush over the peg on the bottom of the robot. Then, press down until the brush clicks into place. Align your robot with the Shark logo facing upside down, then slide it up the ramp onto the base. The robot should click into place when properly installed, and the base indicator light will illuminate green. Take note of the user interface on the robot, which will illuminate when it is powered on and charging. While your robot charges to a sufficient battery level for cleaning, download the Shark Clean app to unlock the full functionality of the robot's cleaning features. This includes scheduling, cleaning reports, no-go zones, remote control, and so much more. Follow the instructions in the app to pair the robot. When prompted, tap the Wi-Fi button to enter pairing mode. The icon will turn blue, and the robot will announce, "I am ready to connect to Wi-Fi." Your robot's first mission is called an Explore Run, because the robot needs to learn your home and create a map of your space. Before this first run, clear any socks, cables, toys, or other items from the floor, and open doors to any rooms you would like the robot to access. This will help your robot create a more accurate map of your home. During the Explore Run, your robot will navigate around your home while building a map. Once the robot returns from its Explore Run, you can view your map, set up zones, and create rooms in the app.
Now you are ready to get started with your Shark PowerDetect ThermaCharged robot.